Investing in Bitcoin. Okay, so this is really exciting. This is probably the biggest reason I decided to get into Bitcoin in the first place, was to make a lot of money investing in it. It was my hope. I looked at it, my wife and I looked at it as like a lottery ticket, but a more sophisticated and higher probability of winning lottery. And it worked. It paid off. It worked out in our case. But I think it's important to say, again, I've talked about this in the past, the disclaimer, I'm not an investment professional or a financial advisor with certain Series 7, Series 63 certifications. So if you have an investment professional or financial advisor, check with them first. Do your own research. Any investing carries a substantial, or I would say substantial, but any investment carries risk, whether it's low or high, okay? Okay, so let's jump into this. This is really, really, really exciting and fun for me because, you know, maybe you're on the fence and you're not sure if this is for you, or maybe you don't know enough about Bitcoin to get involved. Maybe after watching the previous videos in this e-course, you are now saying, you know what, I'm ready to take a jump. I'm ready to risk whatever, $5, $50, I don't know, however much you feel comfortable. $50,000 if that's comfortable for you, whatever you want. I do think there's a tremendous opportunity still, even at this point when I'm doing this video in July 2021. The idea behind investing is pretty simple. You want to make money. You want to buy at a low price, you want to sell at a higher price and recognize that gain. The idea is simple, but the execution is harder. If it was easy, everybody would do it, and no one would need to teach about it. And I can't tell you that you're guaranteed to be successful investing in this, let alone anything. And anyone that promises that you can be successful investing is also either they've never done it before, or they're not telling you the truth and they're maybe just trying to sell you something. You could lose money in investing in anything. I've lost a lot of money. I've made a lot of money, but I've also lost a lot of money, and I've come out on top. But what I can do, what I feel I'm supposed to do, kind of what my burden is for you, is to tell you what I did, how I invested, how it worked for me, and what I continue to do. I've made these investing decisions based on things I've read, people I've known, my own experience, and that's about all, things I've learned and read and studied and experienced. So I will say this, one caveat to this investing section I'm going to be talking about is that outside of companies, 401ks that I've invested in working, at different places during my career, I haven't made any substantial money at all investing in the traditional stock market with mutual funds or stocks. I've dabbled a little bit in the last couple of years, like with AMC stock when those were getting kind of crazy earlier this year, those stonks as they called them. But all of the money that I've made is from mostly Bitcoin, okay, and other cryptocurrencies. If we go by tax filing, in case you're curious about how well I did or didn't do, in 2018, I had a capital gains of about $50,000 from Bitcoin sales. In 2019, I had a capital gains of about $430,000 from Bitcoin sales. In 2020, I had a capital loss of about $70,000 from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency sales. So as you can see, I've been up, I've been down. Overall, I've come out over $400,000 on top. So it didn't make me millions, but it definitely made me more than maybe I would have if I would have just been investing in the stock market. So that's it in a nutshell, was my success.